Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. If you guys have followed my channel for any length of time, you know that I have absolutely loved these bottles from the Dollar Tree, and I have wrapped them in the ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, just wrapped it around, hot glued it, and every season I change out whatever goes here. Sometimes it's a heart, sometimes it's flowers. So this time, I just wanted to make them homey. I happen to have 4. Sometimes I take it away and I'll put joy in there or something for Christmas. We can have fall in there. But for right now, I am just going to use all 4. And so we've got them here. Right? And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to set these aside. I just wanted to show them to you. And I left the burlap. Sometimes I take the whole entire thing off. It all depends. I just change them with the season. I also have these letters here. They do sell letters at the Dollar Tree, but I have these, so I figured I'll just use those. So I grab the H, the O, the M, and the E, and then we're going to paint these little guys. I'm just going to take my Arteza, and I'm just going to get out my little palette here, which I just love so much. It's so much fun using this palette. So I always have the link to this palette in case you want to use it. And because you can use it so many different ways. You can put it here, wherever you want. But this time I only really want it to have a little bit here. And literally going to put a very teeny tiny amount there. Just a dot. Because I'm going to do it very lightly. I want it to look a bit weathered, kind of farmhousey. So I'm going to set these aside, and we're going to work on the H here. And I just have a brush that's kind of dry, a bristly brush. I'm going to get a little teeny tiny, not even a lot, a little teeny tiny bit. And then I'm going to go against the wood. So I'm going to just kind of lightly, see how I'm doing that? Very lightly put some white on here because I want it to still show some of that wood. See, that's too much. So I'm going to use this other end and kind of get rid of it, but that's okay that it has a little bit too much for my liking. You may choose to do it completely white, but I want it to kind of be showing through here. See that? So again, and we're just going to fill this whole thing in here. And don't fast forward too much because I am not going to paint all the letters. I've already done the other letters. See how fast that was? You barely even saw me do it. So, and I'm just going to put a little bit more white, seeing where I want it, just to give it that weathered look. So, you know, sometimes it's a little bit more white in some places and a little bit more see-through, and the wood's coming through in other places. So there we go. I think we're good there. Alrighty. Just going to close this guy up in a little bit here, and then I just take my my little guy here and clean as much as I can before I go to clean it. And then this guy, I'm actually, since I have so much left, I told you I didn't need a lot, right? I'm going to scoop this little guy back in there. And of course, I always tell you I love my Arteza. This one is titanium white. You guys, I'm telling you, titanium white. I don't know about you, but I have been watching Bob Ross. Somehow it got served up on my channel of things I should watch. And yes, I am loving it. And I think I'm going to actually try and do a Bob Ross painting. I had a Bob Ross night where we came over and watched it and painted along with it. And we had so much fun. So I've got all the letters painted. And now I'm going to just go ahead and put them all on. Like I said, this is a complete Dollar Tree DIY project. I use Arteza, but you could use the white paint that they have there. Not a problem. I'm also using the Aleene's tacky glue instead of doing the whole, well, let's see here. What's going on? Always have some little problem, right? I think I'm just going to pop this through. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We'll see. Because I've got enough glue in there. We'll see what happens here. Okay, I need to find a paper clip or something to poke that through. But I do have another one sitting right by here. Hopefully this one will work. I don't know if you're... Oh, this one I haven't even opened yet. Okay, hold on here. I've got one more. We're going to try this one. That one looks like it wants to work, so we'll see. This is a larger one. But let's see what happens here. Oh yeah, there we go. So I'm just going to put a little bit on each side because it is very tacky. And I'm only getting it on the burlap because I do like to change it out. You never know what we're going to do next. We could also change out the O. You can just keep everything O-H-O or H-M-E and then change out the O for, like, let's say for 4th of July we do a star, right? So we'll have a star in there. Valentine's Day, you just have a heart on there. And then for maybe a fall leaf or a pumpkin, who knows? But I just think this is such a cute idea, and I have so much fun changing it out. And these letters just happen to fit perfectly. I did buy these letters just as an impulse buy. I had a 50% off coupon, and they had them at Joann Crafts. So that's where I got them. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on this O. Oh, there, I've done it. I've touched my fingers. If you have not put tacky glue on your fingers, whew, that's not the one I was using. I was like, wow, this is going really easy. I've only had a little bit of problem with the glue. So now I'm going to have lots of problem with the glue. But there we go. I'll put a little bit more. I didn't really put enough on here, it looks like. There we go. And those are just going to sit on there. And don't they give it a nice little farmhousey look there? So I'll take a picture when it's all dry, and I will put it on my shelf where I keep it and let you see. So I hope you guys like this. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please share this. I've missed you guys. I hope you've missed me too. And I hope you guys continue watching and sharing. And if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe because I love to do fun arts and crafts that I find. So, all right, beauties, you have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.